Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're with Cooper Weymouth Peterson, a division of Formtech, Maine. Located in Clinton, Maine, in an 85,000 square foot manufacturing facility, CWP provides customers with sales application analysis, in-house design and engineering, utilizing 3D modeling and finite element analysis, quality control, and complete 24/7 customer service. CWP utilizes a full fabrication department, a machine shop with state-of-the-art CNC manufacturing processes, an extensive electrical department, a paint shop, and in-house assembly of all products manufactured. Having all these processes in-house allows CWP to continually adapt to customers' changing schedules, maintain on-time deliveries, and back every system with a 2-year warranty. CWP offers a broad line of rugged equipment from its stock products of uncoilers, powered straighteners, servo feeds, pallet decoilers, to its custom-engineered specialty equipment consisting of corrective levelers, compact and conventional press feed lines, cut-to-length, multi-blanking, and flexible fabrication systems. Working closely with their customers, CWP design, manufacturing, and application support professionals ensure that each large-capacity coil processing system solution provides maximum performance and value on the plant floor. Their focus is always on application, automation, productivity, and customer satisfaction. Advanced high-strength materials are easily processed on their innovative coil processing lines. From individual coil handling and processing equipment to custom-engineered, totally integrated press feed and cut-to-length systems, CWP can provide the right solution for any of your coil metal processing needs. Come see CWP at CWPcoil.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.